Either. Yep. Okay. Come on, dude. Air the thing. Oh, crap. Hold on.
Lows in the lower 70s. And for Juneteenth,
yep.
Highs in the upper 80s. You're listening to Noah's Weather Radio.
Okay, come on.
In Rockford, serving north central Illinois, including Rockford, Belvedere, and DeKalb.
Oh, yeah.
The current time is 1.
A lot taking their sweet time like always.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For this afternoon and tonight, weather hazards expected. Elevated thunderstorm risk with an associated level 3 of 5 damaging wind risk up to 75 miles
This
per
isn't
hour.
really working.
Level 3 of 5 damaging hail risk.
There it is. Okay, come on.
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 408, effective until 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, Livingston, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, in 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noah's Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tone from